allegedly. I'm just saying.
But I'm still alive.
3, 2, 1, action.
So hello everyone, it's Saudi and I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
This ain't no allegedly.
That's my shit.
So welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing amazing and welcome back to this channel, honey. Guys, whoo! Yeah, I have something nice for you guys today. I was like, you know what? I know how it is out there. Let's just get something that will just break the ice. You know, just break the ice, okay? So, guys, just in the comments, how are you guys doing? Thank you guys so much for all them support. You guys, you have no idea. You have no idea what this Chihuahua is feeling. I'll be humbled and grateful, and my African mom will be like, oh, thank God. You know, so what's going Guys, today I'll be doing a review of a perfume. You know, is it a perfume or a cologne or something? I don't know. Guys, I've been I got this but I've not used it. I got it because, you know, when you see something and you're like, oh wow, I want to know what that is. So I'm the type of person that I cannot live without a perfume or a cologne. Not a cologne, a scent. I cannot live without it, just because I've been using it since I was like 13. I love smelling nice. Even when I'm ordering stuffs for the salon, oh my God, I'm like, wow, that smells amazing. Oh, this smells amazing. Oh, I'm like, yes, honey. Look at me. You better be smelling amazing. I'm sorry. And this is what I'm wearing. I know I'm wearing this for the second time. I love this. I love this. Oh, I love it that I have to wear it again for another. Like, I love this. It's just shaking it like that, honey. So yeah, I will be reviewing this,
and I feel like this collection is here to save 2020. No, I'm just kidding.
I got this because one of the big YouTubers was like, oh my God, this perfume, you know, they talked about it a lot. So it's called the Perfume. Yes, I never use cologne. If it's not a perfume, you better count me out. Cologne makes me choke, but on a, you know, on your boo, it's like, you know, you wanna eat them up, honey, okay? But for me, not my body, but on my, if I have a boo, cologne is like, oh, sexy. You better give me all of that. That's how I feel when someone wears a cologne, and then they're, you know, it's like, okay, oh, okay, you know. But don't bring, if you give me a cologne as, a cologne as a gift, oh, good luck with that. My perfume, honey, so it's called the Bond No. 9 New York. You guys know I'm a New Yorker. Living and breathing. I may be anywhere in the world, I'm always a New Yorker. Like New York spirit, like New York life and all that stuff. So when I saw this perfume, I was like, okay, I have to get it and review it for you guys. This is what it comes in. It looks so, the boxing is so sexy. And I was like, you know what? I want to see, you know. And guys, I'm the type of person that rather than buying, you know, the inexpensive perfumes, you know, buy 10 of them, I save up for like a year, then buy one. Those ones that you just pay one and it lasts all day. That's me. Okay, so I think I would see the pricing of this and I'll put it in the link description. So if you're out there looking for a perfume, especially for the holidays, for your boo or for your partner or for someone that wants to smell like a boss but yet take on the world, but yet still trying to make it work, you know, but don't want to come off like, oh my God, I'm suffering, you know, I think this would be it. Because look at the casing. Seriously, you all see what I'm saying, right? We are seeing this. So when I saw this, I was like, you know what, let's do this review, guys. I think I should be a review queen, a hairstylist who does investing and then reviewing products. What do you guys think? And then reaction. Guys, I'm a multiple threat, honey. I'll be wearing different hats and it's good, guys. Please don't restrict yourself. I know they say niche down. Don't restrict yourself. It's called YouTube, not DemTube. YouTube, which means you should show who you really are and not be like, oh no, let me get this persona so the world will like me. Oh no, bitch, you don't like me? Fuck it. I'll be this. This is me. So what the hell? Like, I'm sorry. So let's get back to this. So what I liked about this, I took it out from the box, you know. Sorry, I'm glowing from all this light. I'm just glowing. So I took it out from the box but I've not opened it and stuff like that. So when I took it out, I was like, okay, because I'm living in a cramped space and I have OCD, so I was like, okay, you want a less space. And this is what it comes in. There is no fucking way I am throwing this box away. Look at this, honey. If you have someone that you cherish, that you love, this. If you have a sweet mom that you love, this. Like this scent, look at her. I have not smelled it yet, but from the box I can tell that I'm about to be living for it, you know. Guys, it's called the Bond No. 9 Governor's Island. Seriously? Honey, you better be taking it, honey. And yes, this video is not sponsored. This will be me sponsoring you guys. If I have stuff that are nice and I like them, I will let you guys know, okay? Just get used to it. We did the Gem Shots review, now we'll be doing this, okay? So, first things first, okay? You open the box. Oh, okay. See, please, if you ever get this, don't throw this box. It's so cute. See, what the? Okay, the packaging alone, and now I see why it's that. The pricing, they make sure you pay for them pricing, honey. They're like, okay, you're paying this. Guys, I got it on Black Friday, so that way it's cheap, honey. That's what you do. If you want to buy something like maybe $100, wait on Black Friday, it will be like $40. Then you get it, and when you spray it, no one will know that you bought it on Black Friday. Okay?
Stop!
That's the secret. So it comes in a box like this, and then they have this showing you the map of New York on the bottom. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, let's see. Oh, it shows you the map of New York. I don't need a map because I know everywhere in New York, but oh, it's nice. So it comes with this. This is really nice. Oh, it's so oh yes, Governor's Ball, honey. So it comes like this and like that. And yes, that is definitely the map of New York. Yup. This is, yep, you go, yep, oh yes, you go from the bottom, walk your way to the island, yes, Alice Island, yep, oh, I know this. And they show you that they have other different types of the perfume, you know, and the scents, the Queens, the Hudsons, the Highlands, the Union Square, yes, all these places, I need them, Blicker Street, yeah, oh, Brewery, okay. The West Side, Central Park. This is definitely, if you're a fan of New York too, you have to have this. I'm sorry, you have to have this perfume. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, now let's see the smell. So after that, right, after getting the box, guys, honey, you all see them placements. I'm not even trying to make it up, guys. I love cute things. You know why? Because when you're raised a certain way, when you have cute things, you appreciate them and you know how to stretch them. Okay, you better be stretching it. That's why you may not have it, but then you can look like you have it, because if you have something like this, you don't have to spray this every minute, you know, just once, and it will last you all day, I'm sure, because it's expensive. Yeah. But on Black Friday, it was affordable. After saving for a year, I was like, I've got to have this and do a review. And when I saw that video, I had to, you know, get it and see if what they said in that video is real. So let's see.
I'm just saying.
It comes like this. Product review. Oh, honey. See that? Stop. You're kidding me. It also comes with, no way. It actually comes with a mail card in there. You see that? I'll just leave it there. It's so cute in there. Okay. I love the shape. I love the shape. So, hi guys. I need to be a salesperson. I'm sorry. So, oh, it's full. You know, sometimes the perfumes, when you buy them, they do it this way, so that way it will be finished quickly, then you buy another one. But this, it's heavy, which is good. And it's if they're working with that, honey, you can put this, you can have this and just give it as a gift, or put it on, you know, in your perfume area, a stand. You can even put it in your living room like a decoration, like a collectible. The bottle, what the? Okay, so at the back they said Hammock Grove for Paganok, J for J Paganok, Nolan Park, Ligate, Hall, Newton Highland. These are some places in New York. Okay, giving you, oh, they haven't playing at all. Okay, now let's try the smell. Good thing, have I sprayed today? Let's see. Oh, okay. So when I put on a perfume, right, I just go like this. I don't, you know, I just tap in like that. you know.
Tap, tap, tap in.
And then when it drips all over you, you just do like that, so that way when you lay in, you smell it, okay? Okay guys, I have to be honest. Fuck me. What the hell? Okay guys, it smells, ooh, it smells, how can I describe this? Guys, if you want someone to bite you, it's not sweet, it's not musky. It has a blend of sweetness and muskiness, so that way it's something that you want to, you know, you still, what the, oh, guys, especially as a stylist, you know, when we are walking, let's be real stylists, you guys know, you're going, blow dry, we be blow dry, we be cutting, we be shampooing, like, you know, shampooing like yeah, you'll be shampooing like that, you know, over there. You do it, you have to, it's part of the, you know, you go in, especially if you're a good shampoo, because I know my guests, they're like, wow, we love when you give us shampoo. I go in because if I don't shampoo my hair well, it starts itching, so I go chop in, you know. So when you're doing that, you know, sometimes your body, when you're energetic, you start, I won't say musty, you start glowing, okay?
Don't cry. I can't today.
So you need spray. Let's be real. If a stylist does not smell good, it's hygiene. If your stylist is not smelling good, the guest is like, you know, especially when you're shampooing them. So when you're shampooing them, they're like, I'm feeling this shampoo even better. Okay, I approve. Guys, if you want to splurge on yourself or a friend, get them this. They will love it. But I know they said Governor's Island. I would just say Governor's Island, honey. I love the smell. It's sweet, but not sweet. It's musky, but it's not musky. It's a mix of both. So anyway, if you guys are out there looking for a perfume to get or something to surprise someone and you're like, what do I do? Get this. Yeah. Look at that design. I'm sorry. If someone resists this gift from you, they are lying. I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. I don't even want to spray anymore. Honey, it's expensive, so we be safe. Honey, you all know we be a Chihuahua YouTuber, so we be making it work. Honey, yeah, it's called, guys, let me tell you a secret. Even if you don't have much, believe me, if I show you my room, you'll be like, what? You know? Make it work. Mix something expensive and something inexpensive. I can dress like trash, for example, and I spray this. It will make me feel expensive and confident. You know, like, I won't feel like, you know, when they smell them, you know? That's how you mix stuffs, okay? Mix inexpensive stuffs and expensive stuffs and just make it work. And there's a secret. Expensive stuff does last. So yeah, I said it. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. I'm from Savida and DAWSON Studios, and I'll see you. Bye guys.
'Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you never could.
I'm not the one to play with, like a touch me not.